proceedings, and if I have to sign something to certify that it's being authentic, I have to have the court here. So with respect to that, we'll have to make a decision. That's going to be the official president, but you are letting me know what you may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've advised the bailiff that you've arrived at a verdict. Have you arrived at a verdict?
Yes, sir.
If you would, please pass it to the bailiff. The heading in the Euclid Municipal Court, Cuyahoga County, Ohio, State of Ohio, plaintiff versus Michael Amiott, defendant. Case number 19-CRB-00890, verdict. We, the jury, being duly impaneled and sworn, do hereby find the defendant Michael Amiott not guilty of assault, a misdemeanor of the first degree in violation of section 2903.13a of the Ohio Revised Code as charged in count 1. We do so render our verdict this 29th day of July, signed by all 8 jurors. Verdict. We, the jury, being duly impaneled and sworn, do hereby find the defendant Michael Amiott guilty of assault, a misdemeanor of the first degree, in violation of section 2903.13a of the Ohio Revised Code as charged in count 2. We do so render our verdict this 29th day of July, 2022, signed by all 8 jurors. Verdict. We, the jury, being duly impaneled and sworn, do hereby find the defendant Michael Amiott guilty of interfering with civil rights, a misdemeanor of the first degree, in violation of section 2921.45a of the Ohio Revised Code as charged in count 3. We do so render our verdict this 29th day of July, 2022, signed by all 8 jurors. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, are these your verdicts?
Yes, sir.
On behalf of the state, do you wish the jury polled?
No, Your Honor.
On behalf of the defendant, do you wish the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror number 1, is this your verdict?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Are these your verdicts, I should say?
Yes.
Juror number 2, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 3, are these your verdicts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror number 4, are these your verdicts?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror number 5, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 6, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 7, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 8, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Anything further of the jury? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I want to thank you all for performing your civic duty. One of the things that I will say is that you've done your job. You came, you heard the evidence, you applied the law, you made a decision. The prosecutor had a job, the defense attorney had a job. Your job was not to prove anything or disprove anything. Your job was to determine what was presented to you, determine the facts, apply the law, render a verdict. You did that. You should leave feeling that you've done your job. No second guessing, you've done your job. If someone else didn't, that's not your job. You've done it. With that, you will be discharged. If you'd like to hang around a few minutes and talk with me, I will do that. If you do not, that's entirely understandable. Sometimes the lawyers would like to talk with you to determine how they came across to you, but again, that is your decision as to whether you wish to speak with them. With that, anything prior to discharging the jury?
No, Your Honor.
On behalf of the defendant, anything? Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you very much. You are discharged at this time. If you want to wait in the jury room, I'll meet with you later. With that, you're discharged. All rise. You may be seated. Based upon the verdicts rendered by the jury, the court at this time will enter on, with respect to count 1, a finding of not guilty, count 2 and count 3, the court will enter a finding of guilty. The court will set this matter out for sentencing, given the fact that under Ohio law, the victim has the right to make a statement or present anything he may wish to present to the court. The court will request the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court Probation Department to submit to the court any documents or any information that it wishes to submit with respect to pre-sentence investigation or what have you. The court feels that that's appropriate given the fact that the Euclid Municipal Court is under the judge. The judge recused himself. It is better that we maintain the appearance of appropriateness in requesting that that be done by the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court. Anything else? The court will consult with the attorneys and the court administrator and set this matter over for sentencing at a date that's agreeable for everyone. Anything else on behalf of the state?
No,
Anything on behalf of the defendant? If there was a bond or no bond, it'll continue as stated. I want to thank everybody for their conduct. I know it got a little contentious at time, but that's to be expected sometimes. With that, we adjourn.
All rise.
Yes. Well, counsel, would you approach, please? I'm sure. Going to be the official process. This is, she was here in proceedings, and if I have to sign something to certify it as being authentic, I have no problem. But you are